Hey, it's time to start your first discussion, and there are a couple of things you need to know. A discussion is a way for us to type out our ideas and share them. It's also a way to include questions, the way that you and I or our whole class might have discussions in a physical classroom. Now, to start our discussion the very first time, there are just a couple of things you need to know. First, you should pay attention to what the discussion is about. Today, I want you to tell me 3 words that describe you and why they describe you. Actually, I want you to tell everybody because this is a discussion for the whole class and a chance for us to get to know each other. Now here on the screen, if you were scrolled down on your Canvas screen, you would see something like this with this reply button with the little arrow. You might be wondering, well, where's the discussion? I want to see everybody's ideas. Well, you don't get to see anybody else's ideas until you share one idea yourself. So to do that, you find this reply box and you click it. And it's just going to open a text box that looks like Google Docs or Microsoft Word or lots of other text boxes that you've used before. And you need to put in your first response. Now, 3 words that describe me. I'm going to say my 3 words are funny, helpful, and hungry. I picked these because I like to be silly with my friends. I enjoy helping my family and community. And finally, I haven't had lunch yet. See how funny I am? And I can add a little lol on there. And once I take a look and I think, okay, I think this is a good first response to this, I am going to hit post reply. Okay. Once I hit that, I'll be able to see my own post. Ooh, and some other crazy stuff at the top. That doesn't usually happen. My own post. And if there were anybody else on the discussion, I could scroll down and see theirs. In this assignment, once I've done my own post, I might want to subscribe, and then over in my inbox, I'll find out if other people post. And I can check back later, and when they do, I can read what they have to say, and I can reply. And I want you to try to reply to 2 classmates over the next couple of days, maybe giving them a compliment or noticing something you have in common or asking them a question. The same kinds of things you might do if you were just chatting together in class. Okay? Don't worry. When you hit reply, you'll get another text box and you'll get another post button, just like you did with your initial response. Okay? You can do this. Give it a try and don't worry if it's not perfect the first time. Okay?